So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add multiple photos to an Instagram story here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, simply go to the bottom left and press on the home page. Then once you're on the home page, go to the top left and press on where it says your story. So as you can tell, there's a couple videos that I recorded, and it basically just shows my recents from my camera roll. Now, if you want to select multiple photos to add to one story, go to the top right and press on where it says select. So right below the gear and right above the video, press on select. Then once you're on this screen, you can just tap however much photos you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap this lighter colored photo right here, and this photo of a black screen. So as you can tell, my first story is the white one, and my second story is this black screen. Once that is done, I'm gonna go to the bottom right and press on the arrow. Now, what it's showing right now is the first photo. So if I wanted to, for example, type in this is number one, right? That's my first story. Now, if I want to press, are you like how everything's done? I go to the bottom right and press on your next story. So I can go ahead and press on share that way. That's actually the first one. But also before you can do that, you can now press on the second option right here and type in this is number two. And there you go. So as you can tell, my first story is number one and my second story is number two. I'm just going to go to the bottom right and press on continue, and I can go ahead and add this to my story by pressing on share. So once that is done, I'm going to press done, and there you go. I have now introduced this story to my Instagram page. So if I wanted to go view my story, go to the top left, press on your story. That's photo number one, where it says this is number one, and the second option, this is number two. So that is how you guys can add multiple photos in an Instagram story here on Instagram. I hope this video helps.